Hey conversion gang, what's going on? In this episode, our client sells hangover cures, something that I really could do with from time to time. I'm sure some of you could as well. But most importantly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the page they came to us with and then the page that we redesigned for them to focus on getting them higher conversion rates. Let's jump straight into it. Point number one is we added our famous trust policy bar. All this is a little bar that goes at the top of your site. It's on rotation and it just showcases things that make you trusted as a company. Things like money back guarantee, support, where you're manufactured, everything that just ticks a box that says you're a real legit company. Point number two, speaking of legit, we've added a further enhancement on trust. We said that this product is natural, which is really important when it comes to a consumable product, and that we're made in France, which just gives some authority to this brand. Number three is we've used an aesthetically more appealing image. When you have a hangover, it's things like orange, ginger, lime, lemon that you really want in your body to make you feel better. So these ingredients are within this supplement, so we've included them as a visual. We've also made that image a little bit smaller, which allows us to put more important elements above the fold when it comes to conversions. Speaking of which, number four, we have used our famous social proof. We've mentioned the amount of happy customers, and we've just ticked another conversion principle box. Number five is we've made that headline more appealing. It's bigger in font, so it's easier to read. We said that this facilitates alcohol recovery and helps you conquer your day. It's emotive, it connects with the consumer, and it gives the value proposition very, very clearly. Number six, super important when it comes to a product like this, where you don't actually know exactly what it is or what's included in the ingredients. We've used 3 benefit-driven bullet points where we've bolded the key phrases that help us sell this product. Number 7, a huge transformation. Look at the previous button. Can you even see it? It's a very small little discover button in the middle of the page. Now it's full width. It's a bright, vibrant color. It has that directional cue, and it's heading us to the shop page. And number 8, these guys did a really good job of this, but we've still managed, whilst putting all those other important elements above the fold, to get a actual proper testimonial in view above the fold on mobile, and then that's just another tick. There is no agency on this planet who has built more high converting landing pages than mine. Check us out at ConversionWise.com, and if you want more page breakdowns like this, head on over to our YouTube channel and I will see you in the very next video. Cheers guys, have a great day, thank you.